Exercise 2.7. First main, find, we have to divide 0.4 by a whole number, that is 2. So the very first step is removing or ignoring the decimal point, and we have to write it, or we can write only 4. Divide and 2. Right. Now we'll say, in second step, we'll change the decimal sign to the multiplication sign. Then we'll reciprocal this whole number 1 by 2. Right. Now 4 ones are 4, 2 tens are 20. Now we'll simplify. 2 twos are 4, 2 tens are 20. So we got answer as 2 divided by 10. Now there is a single 0. So we have to give the decimal point after single digit, that is 0.2. Second problem, 0.35, it should be divided by 5. 0, we'll ignore 0 only. 35, after ignoring the decimal point we got 34, or you can write 0 also, no problem. And we'll divide it by 100. Sign, we'll keep it as it is. Then in second step, 35 divided by 100, we'll change the sign and we'll reciprocal 5, which will get 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5, how much is 35? 5 sevens are 35. Now 5 ones are 5, will 100 ones are 100. So we have to insert the decimal point after 2 digits, but we have only 1 digit, right? So I will give 1 0 extra and I will give the decimal point, right? This is the answer. Then third one, (2.48) divided by 4. 248 divided by 100, changing the sign, and 1 divided by 4. Right? In first step only I have removed the decimal point, and even I have changed the sign and I have reciprocal it. Right? I have written directly. Now we'll simplify it. 4 ones are 4. Again 4, how much are 24? 4 6 are 24. Then 4 twos are 8. Now 62 ones are 62. Divided by 100 ones are 100. Right? We need to give the decimal point after 2 digits here. So this is the answer. Fifth problem, 651.2 is divided by 4. 651.2 divided by 10, then divide 1 divided by 4 only. Next step is 6512 divided by 10, change the sign and reciprocal 1 by 4. Now we'll simplify it. Instead of multiplying denominator, directly I will simplify it, right? 4 ones are 4, here also 4 ones are 4, remainder is 2. Here we got 25, then 4 how much are 25? 4 6 are 24 we got. Again 1 is remaining, it became now 11. 4 2s are 8 and remaining is 3. 4 how much are 32? 4 8s are 32, right? Now 1628 ones are 1628, 10 ones are 10. So we have to give the decimal point after single digit. This is the answer. Sixth problem, 14.49 divided by 7. 1449 divided by 100, divide sign 7. Right? Now we'll change the decimal sign to the multiplication sign and we'll reciprocal 7. We'll get 1 by 7. Now we'll simplify. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and again we have to give 1 0 here because After simplifying, immediately we are taking here 4 digit. So we have to give 1 0. Now 4 how much is 49? Sorry, 7 how much is 49? 7 7s are 49. So we got 207 ones are 207, 100 ones are 100. Now we need to give the decimal point after 2 digit. 2.07, we got the answer. Right. Second main, find. Here we have to divide 4.8 by 10. Ignoring the decimal point, then divide it by 10 because decimal point is present after the single digit. Right? Divide it by 10 again. Then we have to change the decimal sign to the multiplication sign. Then we have to reciprocal 1 by 10. 48 ones are 48 divided by 10 tens are 100. Right? Now there are two zeros present. So we need to give the decimal point after 2 digits. This is the answer. Second one also same thing. 52, 525 we got. We have to divide it by 10. Divide it by 10. Next, 525 divided by 10. Change the sign, reciprocal 10. So we'll get 525 ones are 525, 10 tens are 100. Thus we got the answer as 5.25. Then third one, 07 divided by 10 divided by again 10. 7 divided by 10 into reciprocal of 10. That is 7 ones are 7, 10 tens are 100. Now we need to give decimal point after 2 digit, that is 0.07. Thus we got the answer. Then fourth one, 331 divided by 10, again division symbol 10. 331 divided by 10, let's change the sign to the multiplication, reciprocal of 10 is 1 divided by 10. Now 331 ones are 331, 10 tens are 100. Right? Now we'll give the decimal point after 2 digit, means here. Fifth problem, 27223. I have removed the decimal point, so I am dividing it by 100. Divide it by 10. 27223 divide it by 100, changing the sign, then reciprocal of 10. Now 27,223 into 1 will get 27223 only. Then 100 into 10 will get 1000. We need to give the decimal point after 3 digit. 27223. Here it will be the 3 decimal point, right? Now sixth one, 056 divided by 100, division symbol 10 as it is. 56 divided by 100, change the symbol to multiplication, reciprocal of 10. Now 56 ones are 56, 100 into 10, 1000. So we need to give the decimal point after 3 digits, but we have only 2 digits, right? So I will give one extra and I will give the decimal point. This is the answer. Third main, we'll divide 2.7 by 100. First step, removing the decimal point and rewrite, that is 27 divided by 10, divide symbol and 100 as it is. 27 divided by 10, change the sign and reciprocal of 100 is equals to 27 ones are 27, 10 into 100 is 1000. So we have to give the decimal point after 3 digit, 0.0, right? This is the answer. Second one, remove the decimal point, divide it by 10. Then you can change directly the sign. We can take second step also immediately. Change the sign and reciprocal the. After changing the sign only we have to reciprocal, right? 1 divided by 100, that is equals to 3 ones are 3 divided by 1000, means 10 into 100 is 1000. 300.0 is the answer. Third one, 78 divided by 100 into, immediately I changed the sign, so I have to reciprocal the 100 now. Now I got 78 ones are 78 divided by 100 into 100 means 10,000 will get. We have to give the decimal point after 4 digit from the right side. Here we got only 2 digit, so 2 more, after 2 more digit means I have given 2 zeros and 1.10. This is the answer. Fourth one, 432. We remove the decimal point and write 6. Divide it by 10. Change the sign, divide it by 100. 1 divided by 100 means reciprocal. 4326. 10 into 100 is 1000. We'll get 4.326 as the answer. Then fifth one, 236 divided by 10 into, immediately reciprocal the 100. We'll get 236 ones are 236. 10 into 100 is 1000. 236 decimal point 10. Right? This is homework. Fourth main, find. We have to divide the decimal number by the 1000 here. Ignore the decimal point, write it and change the sign, reciprocal 1000. Right? 79 ones are 79. Here 10 into 1000 means that is 10,000. We need to give the decimal point after 4 digit. Right? You have to give the decimal point according to the zeros present at the denominator place, right? If at the denominator place, if there are 4 zeros means you have to give the decimal point after 4 digits at the numerator, right? From right to left. Second one, 263 divided by 10. Multiply it 1 divided by 1000, reciprocal it. Okay, now 263 ones are 263, that is 10,000. 10 into 1000 is 10,000. We need to give the decimal point after 4 digit. Means here there were only 3 digit. I made it a 4 digit now. Then I give the decimal point. This is the answer. Third one, 3853 divided by 100. Change the sign, inverse the reciprocal of 1000. 3853 ones are 3853 divided by 100 into 1000 means what? How much? First we'll write 3 zeros plus 2 zeros means 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now we'll give the decimal point after 5 zeros. 3853. Here there are 4 digits, right? We'll make it 5 digit and we'll give the point. And this. These two are homework for you. Now fifth main, we have to divide here a whole number by a decimal number, right? You already learned this in previous video, isn't it? Once again we'll solve them. 7, we'll keep 7 as it is. Then we'll remove this decimal point and write, we'll get 35 divided by 10. Now we'll change the decimal division sign to the multiplication sign and will reciprocal, that is 10 divided by 35. Now we'll, if possible, we'll simplify it here only. If not, we'll multiply directly. Here it is possible to simplify, so we'll simplify it. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now we got 1 into 10 is 10 divided by 5 we got. Again it will get simplified. See, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we got 2 as the answer. Second one, 36 divide sign and will ignore the decimal point, that is 2. 2 divided by 10. When we'll change the sign, that time we have to reciprocal this number and write. Right? You can see that the number will get simplified here. So we need to simplify it. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Remaining is 1, 2 8s are 16. Now we got 18 1s are 18 and we'll keep 0 here. Then this is 1. We can write it as 180 as the answer. Third one, both are decimal numbers. We'll remove their decimal points and write this is 100. We'll keep the decimal point as it is, 5 divided by 10. Now we'll change the sign from decimal to multiplication. We'll reciprocal it. Right, now we can simplify it. 1 0 cancels, 1 0 cancels, 5 1s are 5. Then how much are 5 6 are 30. Here it is 32. 5 6 are 30. Remaining is 2. Then 5 5s are 25. 65 1s are 65 and this 10 1s are 10. Now we'll give the decimal point. Single zero present, so 6.5. Answer. Fourth one, 3094 divided by 100. Divide sign, even will write 7 divided by 10. Now 3094 divided by 100, we'll change the sign and after changing the sign we'll reciprocal it. 1 0 1 0 cancels. Now it will get simplified or not, check it. It will get simplified. See, 7 1s are 7. Again 7, how much are 30. We'll take the nearest value, that is 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2. Then again 7 4s are 28. Remaining is 1. 7 2s are 14. 442 1s are 442 divided by 10 1s are 10. We need to give the decimal point after single digit. Right? So fifth one, 0 5, or we can write only 5 divided by 10. Divide symbol, 25 divided by 100. 5 divided by 10. Change the sign. We got 100 divided by 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 1 0 1 0 got cancels. Again 1 10s are 10, 1 5s are 5. Again it will get simplified. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. That is what, 2. Then sixth one, 775 divided by 100. Division symbol, 25 divided by again 100. 775 divided by 100. Change the sign, reciprocal. Now we'll simplify. 100 get cancels. 5 5s are 25. Again 5, how much are, we'll take 5 1s are 5. Again 27. 5 5s are 25. Remaining is 2. 5 5s are 25. Again it will get simplified. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So thus we got answer as 31. Right. Seventh one, 765 divided by 10. Again divide symbol, 15 divided by 100. 765 divided by 100. Change the sign, reciprocal and reciprocal. 1 0 1 0 got cancelled. Again 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 3s are 15. Right. Again it will get simplified. See, 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Right. Here we got 51 into 10. At the denominator place both are 1 1. Means 1 into 1 will get 1 only. 51 into 10 means 510. That is the answer. 8th and 9th are homework. Last question, 6th one. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Here they have given that in 2.4 liters of petrol it covers a distance 43.2 kilometer, right? But they have asked us to find by using 1 liter of petrol how much distance it will cover, right? By using 2.4 liters it covered for 43.2 kilometers. Then using 1 liter of petrol means it will cover a small distance, yes or no, right? So we need to divide it here. We need to divide. First we'll write the given things. Here the distance covered by a vehicle in 2.4 liters, that is 43.2 kilometer, right? I have written it. Then here we need to find the distance covered by the vehicle in 1 liter of petrol. For that, as I told, we have to divide this kilometer 43.2 kilometer by which 2.4 liters, right? You all know that how to do this. Next step, removing the decimal point, then 10, again 24 divided by 10, 432 divided by 10, change the sign and reciprocal, right? Then here 10 get cancels, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, remaining is 1, 2 6 are 12, right? Again 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, we have to give 1 0, right? Because immediately after simplifying the single digit we are taking here double digit now, so we need to give 0. 6 2 how much are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again it will get simplified in 6 table. See, 6 1s are 6, again 6 1s are 6, remaining is 4. 6 how much are 48, 6 8s are 48, right? So we got here 18 1s are 18, so 18 1s are 18, and here it is also 1, so 1 1s are 1, thus we got 18. So it covered the distance of 18 kilometers in 1 liters of petrol, right? Okay, now this completes your exercise 2.7, and also the second chapter, that is fractions and decimal, it is also completed. Thank you.